नाउ आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट आपके आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट। जैसे आप लोग ने अभी तक बहुत काम किया जिसमें, और इंडस्ट्री की एक वो है, टेंडेंसी है, मैं ये नहीं कहूंगा कि वो पर्पसली करती है, बट ऑर्गेनिकली हो जाता है टू पुट आर्टिस्ट इन अ बॉक्स, और उनको एक टाइप पास कर ही देते हैं वो, चाहे वो एक से एक मतलब टू गुड एक्टर्स भी हो, उनको भी वो एक उसमें करते हैं कि ये तो कैरेक्टर एक्टर ही है। जैसे आपने बहुत सारे रोल्स किए हैं, वे शायद वो लड़का फ्लैम्बॉयंट हो, लेकिन हमेशा लाइफ में बहुत एम्बिशियस रहा है, और फिर उसको लोग मिलते हैं, देन ही गेट्स लॉस्ट। जी सिमिलरली आपके लाइफ में बहुत आपने अपने बहुत कैरेक्टर्स किए हैं, वे यू आर प्लेइंग अ गर्ल हु इज कम इंडिया से बाहर से आई है, उस बबली, बट दैट डज नॉट मीन, जैसे प्रीति जिंटा आल्सो सेज कि लोग समझते हैं कि मैं बबली हूँ, पर मैं रियल लाइफ में ऐसी बबली नहीं हूँ। जी मैं हर बात में टिंग नहीं करती रहती।
हाँ, सेम विद मी। लोग तो यही सोचते हैं कि एली यू तो आर वेरी बबली मैं हूँ बबली, बट नॉट हमेशा।
या ऑन सम बैड डेज नो वन इज बबली, है ना?
बैड डेज आई विल आल्सो बी, समझो कि मैं अभी बबली हूँ, गाड़ी में बैठ के आई विल बी लाइक silence, you know, in like अपनी सोच, listening to my music or something else, so you know like so वो एक होता है। yeah
so when
स्त्री है, काली माँ का, दुर्गा का अवतार है, कुछ भी हो सकता है।
तो ये जो सब टाइपकास्ट करते हैं, मेकर्स कर लें, ऑडियंस कर लें, फैंस कर लें, और फिर अगर वही रिपीटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स आते हैं, तो हाउ डू यू गाइस उस मोल्ड को आप ब्रेक कैसे करते हो? क्योंकि वही करते रहेंगे तो फिर it become mediocre.
I think it has to be a conscious decision
yes, it
somewhere.
has to. For me, it actually was. For me, it was, and I have actually broken it, because if you look at all the different type of roles that I have done, they are extremely different from each other. My role in Goodbye is a complete de-glam look. My role in Nanavaruvan with Dhanush, it's a Pahadi, dumb and deaf girl, very simple, very like घर की एक माँ. My role as Mrs. Sylvia Nanavati, again very different. My role in Malang as Jessie, with उसका ऐसा वाला tattoo style, चरसी, ये सब very different. Then of course in किस किस को प्यार करो was that typical bubbly and all of that. And then of course I've had a lot of like these glamorous dance numbers and all of that. But it was actually before doing The Verdict, where I was portraying Mrs. Sylvia Nanavati. That was the period of time. Those were the years where it was very tough for me to break the image of I'm actually a serious actor. I'm here to actually act, to do serious roles. And so that made the change, but even more Malang, where I was portraying Jessie.
Malang definitely.
That was the time when a lot of filmmakers who I have met, and they have, you know, expressed this to me, that they would have never believed that I would have been okay to do a role like that. And I was very shocked to hear it, because that is not a glamorous look. That is a very like, from
rugged,
me being like this hot, like glamorous girl, to being like a
rugged,
completely different. Completely different. And the body language I had to work on, and everything I had to work on. So that's when they realized that, okay, she's actually also interested in doing strong character roles and de-glam roles. But for that, I had to say no to a lot of projects. I had to say no to a lot of songs. Because suddenly I started to realize that it became a perception that I'm just a dancer. Okay, I am only doing glamorous dance numbers, and I'm not interested in acting. But baat to wo nahi tha. Whatever was coming my way as an actress, I did not like those roles. I did not connect to those scripts. So it was a time where I really had to take a long period of like break, and literally saying no to everything, and just keeping that faith कि कुछ अच्छा आएगा मेरे पास. And that is when actually The Verdict ka audition happened. And at that time 3 auditions happened actually at the same time. Verdict ka Inside Edge mein, where I'm playing Sandy, the cheerleader, and then also Anita in Typewriter. So Joy Ghosh ka Typewriter. 3 completely different characters, and I just nailed the audition, and we locked it, and I shot it all back to back. And that was the first time where people really got to see me as an actress performing different type of characters. And I was like, I was so happy. I was so happy, especially with Verdict as Miss Sylvia Nanavati, because I still remember I was crying when I was reading my scenes like Ghar Ke Andar, because I was like, finally I'm getting to do this, what I've actually dreamt of. And again, coming back to this, जो आपने कहा ना, when we were talking about perceptions, कि वो एक perception बन जाता है, अरे I thought you only want to do glamorous songs and all. नहीं,
बिल्कुल
वो नहीं है. पर अगर मुझे कुछ अच्छा script, अच्छा role का नहीं मिल रहा है, तो क्या करूँ मैं?
बिल्कुल.
You know, I have to, yeah, I have to wait for that ना.
Sure.
So, and I love doing the glamorous dance numbers as well. I love that. So if that is coming my way and I'm loving it, I will of course say yes to it. I will not say no. But then this was the time when I realized ki, okay, but now I actually have to say no and wait for a time, because otherwise maybe that wo mauka nahi aayega. And I remember that there was even a discussion happening when for Mrs. Sylvia Nanavati, because they needed like a girl who can look very vulnerable and, you know, portray her role. So there was apparently a discussion that happened ki nahi, but will Ellie be the correct choice for this, uska image, ye sab. And then what happened was that the director had only said, let's just watch her audition.
Yes.
उसके बाद discuss करते हैं ना. तो मेरा audition देख के everybody was like, okay, हाँ ये सही है. Because the audition was also very strong.
Yeah.
It was a very strong scene where it's like you're being serious, then you're being angry, then you're crying, then again you're coming back. So it was a very intense one.
Yeah.
And so I was very grateful for that. So ever since then, it's like where things have changed and I've got to do more like performance and
Yes.
the glam
Yes.
roles. I would actually say that Beintaha is my project after long that I'm doing, which is glamorous.
Yeah.
Because if you think of both Goodbye
Yep.
and Nane Varuvan,
Yes.
both of them are not glamorous.
Yeah.
Even my latest Tamil film, Conjuring Kanappan, I'm playing a ghost.
Oh.
Yes,
Yeah.
I played a ghost, you know, and even again, there was a backstory, of course, of showing me, but it was not like glamorous. It was beautiful, cute, but it was again like performance oriented. It was nothing like glamorous about it. So Beintaha is actually after long, where I'm again coming and doing something very glamorous.
But as you said, you are right. And good things take time.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
it takes that.
Good things happens to good people.
Hi guys, this is Pratik Patil Babar.
And this is Elia Ram, and you're watching us on
Mama
Mamarazzi.
Right.